Bushcrafters and survivalists, Buzz here, and I'm a few months in from when I fitted my little log burner to one of my outbuildings, and believe me, it was a wonderful decision to do that. It's been snowing quite heavily across the UK in the past few days, and trust me, this little log burner, you know, it has just been an absolute dream. If you've not considered putting a log burner in, let's just zoom up there. If you've not considered putting a log burner into your bush shack shed or anything like that, then I can highly recommend it. It's a great project to do, and if you take a look through my channel videos, you can actually catch up and watch my how to install a log burner video that I did installing this particular one, and it is toasty. Some people have asked me why I've got a weight on the top. Well, actually, that weight on there, obviously that can come off because the little plate there is for putting a cooking pot on if you want to, and this log burner, basically my son picked it up for free, and the little plate on the top is just a tiny bit warped, so I put a weight on there initially just to stop it from rattling. And I've also found that because the weight heats up, then it conducts more heat up to the fan, and the fan blows it out, and I've just kind of left it there. So yeah, if anybody's wondering why I've got a big steel cast iron weight on there, that's why. Otherwise, yay, fire! It's brilliant. Anyway, catch you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.